So sine of 60 is a square root of 3 divided by 2. And cos of 60 is also, sine of 60 cos 30. Cos 30 is also square root of 3 divided by 2. Then sine of 30 is 1 by 2. And cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Look, simple substitution and we get the value. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 multiplied with 1 is 1 by 4 and we take LCM as 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 is 1. So value of this expression is 1. For the second part, we have 2 10 square 45. So here also we are going to substitute the value. So this expression will be equal to 2 as it is, and the value of 10 45 degrees 1 and square of this plus cos 30 is square root of 3 by 2 and square of this minus sine of 60, which is square root 3 by 2. Again, it was sine square 60. So squared. 2 into 1 square is 2 plus square of root 3 is 3 and square of 2 is 4. So 3 by 4 minus square of 3 is 3 and square of 2 is again 4. If we look carefully, these two terms, negative 3 by 4 and positive 3 by 4 can be cancelled. And the value of this expression here is, this expression here is 2, right? Next, we have third part, cos of 45 divided by sec of 30 plus cosec of 30. Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos, and cos 30 we saw in the previous example was root 3 by 2. So this would be 2 by root 3 sec of 30, and cosec of 30, which is the reciprocal of again sine of 30. And sine of 30 is 1 by 2, so its reciprocal should be 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Now we would take LCM and yes, so 1 by root 2 numerator remains as it is, 1 by root 2 as it is. In the denominator, we take square root 3 common, and we have LCM of these numbers because the denominator here is 1. So square root 3, 2 plus 2 square root 3. Now we can write this expression as 1 by root 2. And the denominator, the fraction in the denominator can be written upside down in multiplication. So root 3 in the numerator and denominator is 2 times 2 plus, we take 2 common? Yes, we can. So can we write it as 2 common and 1 plus square root 3. So we would like to rationalize denominator here and write it little after simplification, a little bit of simplification. So we are going to multiply by root 2 up and down first. So let's write in the left hand side on this area. Here we go. We want to simplify this. So when you multiply up and down by root 2, this becomes root 3 into root 2. numerator would be under root 6. Denominator would be 2. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2, because this under root 2 multiplied by root 2 down, multiplied by root 2 up. So obviously this is going to be 2 into 2, which is 4. So it is 4, 1 plus square root of 3. Again, we would like to rationalize this denominator. So we will multiply by 1 minus root 3 up, and 1 minus root 3 in the denominator. Though we have simplified the value right here, we got the answer, but we want to rationalize the denominator. Okay. Now this is equal to under root 6 and 1 minus root 3 divided by, here you have 4 as LCM, 4 and 1 plus root 3, 1 minus root 3. This is a square minus b square. So which is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means negative of 2. So can we straightway write negative of 2 inside bracket? Yes, negative of 2. And we can write one more step by multiplying by root 6, opening the bracket in the numerator. We will actually get root 6 minus root 6 into 3 would be root of 18, which can be written as, root of 18 can be written as 3 square root 2 and divided by negative of 8. Is that fine? And if we wish, we can take negative sign common and write our final answer as okay, let me make a little space here, and final answer can be written as, this becomes positive, taking negative sign common, 3 root 2 minus under root 6 divided by negative 8, and then this minus and minus gets cancelled. So your answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. Fourth part of question number 1 is sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec of 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So let's put value of sine these trigonometric functions. So sine 30 is 1 over 2. Value of sine 30 is 1 over 2. So we can write this is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1. And the cosec of 60, which is reciprocal of sine, and sine is 2 by root 3. Sine is root 3 by 2. So the cosec would be 2 by root 3. Okay, simply substitute value of these trigonometric ratios. Now cos of sec of 30, reciprocal of cos 30, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this value is also 2 divided by root 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. These values you must remember. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And then you have cot 45, which is 1. We would like to write this is equal to LCM of numerator first. That's right, equal to here. Our numerator LCM would be 2 root 3. 2 root 3. They will get multiplied. 1 would be like 1 by 1. So LCM of 2, 1 and root 3. It comes out to be 2 root 3. So here this number you divide by 2 and 2 root 3. So you get root 3 time. And this number would be 2 root 3. And this is minus 4. Yes, we simply divide LCM by the denominator of the fraction and then multiply the quotient with the numerator. And for denominator also, you will have LCM as 2 root 3, and then you will have 2 into 2 is 4, and root 3 into 1 would be root 3, and then 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. All right. Now, when we write this upside down, and that we can show here, a little bit to the right. So, okay, one moment. Now, what we are going to do is, in place of these two like terms, root 3 and 2 root 3, we can add. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. All right. Minus 4 as it is, divided by 2 root 3. Since the denominator fraction is also a fraction, we will bring that into multiplication, and that will come 2 root 3 in numerator, which will become upside down, no? And the denominator would be 4 plus 3 root 3. Yes, root 2 plus 2 root 3. Look carefully, this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 gets cancelled, and we get 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. This is our answer, but we would like to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize denominator, we are going to multiply this by 4 minus 3 root 3 in numerator, and also we are multiplying by 4 minus 3 root 3 in denominator. Now look carefully, the numerator is a minus b into a minus b. That means a minus b whole square. And denominator is a plus b, and a minus b means a square minus b square. So we're gonna write that a square is 4 square, which is 16. B square is 3 root 3 square. Let's see what is 3 root 3 square. 3 root 3 square means square of 3 is 9, and square of 3 root 3 is 3. So that is 27. Okay. So what we can see here is 3 root 3 square means 27. So can we write 27 here? So our denominator has become 16 minus 27. Whereas in numerator, you can apply a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. That is, oh, is it root 3 minus 4 and 4 minus root 3? This is different. To make it a minus b whole square, we can actually take negative sign common, and then this will become, yes, 3 root 3 minus 4. So we will write one negative sign, and we will, then this thing will become 4 minus 3 root 3. 4 minus 3 root 3 is square. Yes, so this value. And now we can expand this is negative sign. Square of 4 is 16. A square plus b square, we saw square of 3 root 3 was 27, minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means minus 2. Look, minus 2 into 4 into 3 root 3. So that will be 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24 root 3. 24 root 3. So that is minus 24 root 3. Minus 24 root 3 divided by, denominator is 16 minus 27. So 16 minus 27 would be minus of 11. Now we can see carefully, like this minus and minus can be cancelled. This minus and this minus gets cancelled, and we get our answer. So our final answer here would be 16 plus, can we write it here? I think, yes, we can write it. In the next step, we should write though. Okay, let's try writing here. So this thing would be equal to, denominator is 11 and numerator is 16 plus 27. Now 16 plus 27 is 43. Yeah, 6 and 7, 13 and 43. Yes. So this is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So this should be your answer. Finally, we have fifth part, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 divided by sine square 30 plus cos square 30. So the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 5 multiplied 1 by 2 squared plus 4 sec square 30. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, and you know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this number should be 2 by square root of 3, and the square of this value minus 1045 is 1, and you're going to square this as well. This divided by, we're going to divide this by sine square 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, and you would like to square it. And plus cos 30 is square root 3 by 2, and then square this value also, because this is cos square. All the terms we have squared. Next, this value can be written as 5 as it is. 5 multiplied by square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Yes, that means 5 by 4. Plus 4 into square of 2 is 4, and square of root 3 is 3. So 4 into 4 by 3. 4 into 4 is how much? 16 by 3. All right, can we write the same way here? This is 5 by 4. Yes, we can. So this value is 5 by 4 minus square of 1 is 1, and you are going to divide this by square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and square of this number would be 3 by 4. You can look carefully. Numerator can be added, and so the denominator is actually 1. If you can see, this is 4 by 4, right? So let's write it one more way, one more step. So this value is going to be, you take LCM of the numerator, which is LCM of 4 and 3, going to be 12, and then 3 into 5, which is 15, plus 4 into 16, 64, minus 4 into 3 should be 12. Yes, and this gets divided by, sorry, this gets divided by, all right, divided by 4 by 4. You take LCM 4 and you get 1 plus 3, which is 4 by 4. All right, so we can write this value next here. So you take LCM, this value, denominator is 12. Now plus 15 minus 12 should be 3, and when you add 3 in 64, you should get 67. So 67 by 12 divided by 4 by 4, right? This 4 by 4 in denominator, actually you can write upside down, and you can bring it into multiplication, so it remains 4 by 4 only. Doesn't make any difference. So your final answer should be 67 divided by 12.